Yummy, yummy guys. Napakasarap. Hindi ko na to guys nilagyan ng chili powder kasi ang mga bulilit ayaw nila ng over spicy. So, ang ginawa ko mild lang guys na spicy. Maanghang ba guys? Maanghang. Tapos guys, ito na guys siya oh. Parang mainit sila to ako ng. Ito na guys yung aking butter chicken. Ayun guys oh. Sarap guys. Tikman nyo. Tikman nyo. So, bali, ano ko lang ito guys, konting minuto lang. Papatayin ko na yung aking apoy. Kasi pag overcook naman guys yung yung manok, hindi na masyadong masarap. So, last na gagawin ko guys, maglalagay ako ng coriander na Eleven guys. Ayun na siya guys, oh. Kumukulo na siya guys, diba? Ayun na guys ang aking butter chicken. Napakasimple lang ito guys, pero very, very tasty. You want to try guys? Come. Wala ko guys lemon, so imagination na lang guys na may lemon siya. Pero masarap naman siya guys. Lagay ko lang konting salt. Ayan. Tapos, pepper. Tapos, mix ko ulit guys. Ito na guys yung aking butter chicken. Ang gagawin last guys, ang gagawin ko is maglalagay ako ng coriander leaf. Ayan lang siya guys. So, ito na guys, oh, yung aking butter chicken. Yummy, yummy guys. Butter chicken for lunch with fried rice. Hi everyone. Happy lunch, happy Thursday everyone, and God bless. This is your Cocinera Annalyn. Cocinera Live.